In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here because a document just won't let you select text or you're simply curious, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you won't be caught off guard next time. Let's dive right into it. First things first, make sure you have the Microsoft Word application open on your computer. If it's been a while since you've used it, no worries. Just locate the application on your desktop or in your program files and give it a click. Once Word is open, the next thing you'll want to do is select the specific document you're having issues with. Or maybe you want to just try it out on any document to see how everything works. With your document now open, take a moment to look at the top section, otherwise known as the ribbon, where you see all sorts of tabs like File, Home, Insert, and others. You'll want to navigate over to the Review tab. It's positioned right around the middle of all those tabs. Click on that to bring up a new set of options specifically for reviewing your document. Now we're getting closer to the solution. In the Review tab, look towards the far right of the ribbon for the option labeled Restrict Editing. Go ahead and click on that. It's like opening a gateway to the permissions of your document. What you're doing here is accessing Word's editing restrictions, which is often where the issue of selection locking originates. When you click on Restrict Editing, a pane will typically appear on the side of your window. This pane is where all the restriction settings reside. Look at the section that reads Editing Restrictions. If the option to allow only this type of editing in the document is checked, this might be why you're having trouble selecting text. Simply uncheck the box to remove restrictions from your document. If it asks for a password, you might need to reach out to the person who set up the document restrictions. But if you're the one who enabled it, just enter the password you used to secure it. And there you have it. That should immediately unlock the text on your document, making everything selectable and ready to be edited. Whether you're doing this for a one-time fix or you're configuring permissions for the future, you now have a clear understanding of how to manage text selections within Word. Be sure to double-check your document to ensure everything works as expected. And remember, you can reverse these changes anytime by revisiting the Restrict Editing pane. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.